This is Visme, a website built to make your websites, documents, and presentations more engaging and stunning to look at. I think we can all agree that nothing is worse than sitting in a meeting or taking notes in class and having to look at a boring PowerPoint. Thankfully now, you won't have to, so turn your frowns upside down with Visme. With software so easy that anyone can use it, you can create presentations that will always look great with hundreds of graphics that you can just drag and drop onto any slide. If you aren't confident with working from a blank page, there are hundreds of pre-built presentations that you can use. Creating presentations is just one of the few things that Visme can do. You can also create things such as infographics that make information fun and easy to read. You can also make documents such as lesson plans and report cards to keep you organized. Printables, such as resumes, can help you land that job that you've been trying to get and make you stand out. If you want to get away from the bland PowerPoints and make something that engages your audience, then head to Visme and get started today.